Dr. Hussein Bush Kolachi YouTube channel is today talking on the neem tree and its health and environmental benefits. Neem tree, you can see in the picture, is so beautiful, so lovely, so green, and it has medicinal value of paramount importance. Even when I was attending a very high level conference in capital city of Pakistan, one of the experts from the China or some far eastern countries mentioned the neem tree at least more than 100 benefits and its importance in the environment, oxygen giving facility, cooling effects, and many other non-pesticides effects in which the chemicals are not used but to control the pests in agriculture. Its scientific name is azadirachta indica, and indica is mostly from the India or Indus Valley. And this picture also shows that the archaeological evidence shows that the seeds were in the Mohenjo-daro and also in Harappa. So neem tree or azadirachta indica is native to the Indus Valley, but it is also present in the Sri Lanka, Indonesia, and other countries, the subcontinent also. But it is less water consuming and high temperature resistance tree, perennial tree. It can survive on 50-degree plus temperature. And when I was in Saudi Arabia, I saw that even in Arafat, the religious place where the pilgrims perform the Hajj, the neem trees were there. And this is also showing that from the Mohenjo-daro 5,000 years, archaeological evidence shows that this was native to Indus. That's why it is called Indica. And Nimba is the Sanskrit word which is originally a language used in the Indus Valley and also the scripts of Ayurveda or medical system. This shows that the neem tree is village pharmacy. So it is not only a store, but it's a village of many compounds, chemicals, and elements which are beneficial for health. Even when I was searching on the Google, it can cure almost 100 illnesses and diseases, which include skin diseases, digestive diseases, immunity diseases, oral health diseases, and as well as it is organic spray which can save the grains, which can save the books from decay, which can repel the insect, and it is also anti mosquito or mosquito repellent tree. And the people like it, and it is also a heat resistance, or you can say that cooling and healing both are available in this tree. So in climate change, while the temperatures are rising, this tree can sustain and provide you a very cooling shade and even can cool the body. It is also used in the toothpaste. Its oil is also used, and it is also a contraceptive. If it is used, if its effect is contraceptive effect, so we can use it for our population control also. And it is antipyretic. It is cooling ingredient, and its main component is azadirachtin. This is a chemical which is present even the phytochemicals, antioxidants, quercetin, and many other, including some of the vitamin, because it is a colored tree, it has the fruits, colored fruits. So vitamin A is also there, so it is better for the vision also. And if you calculate the benefits of the neem tree, I think the subcontinent Indus Valley is lucky that this medicinal, this environment friendly, this beautiful tree, its every part is so important and so health giving that the Nimba or the Neem in Sanskrit means health bestowing, means it provides the health, and the Nimba is basically a anti-mortality kind of drops which were as per mythology which were taken to the heaven, but some of the drops came down from the sky and they fell upon the neem tree. So that's why it is a amrit tree or elixir of life tree, and you can see that how beautiful, how wonderful, and how important this tree is from the medical point of view. Almost Ayurveda, which is the medical system of Indus Valley, 50% of all medicines contain the neem extracts or neem parts, whether they are trees, they are leaves, they are fruits, oils. And now I have seen that many soaps in the markets, many toothpaste are available, and it can grow slowly, but it can sustain the high temperature, winds, and it is adaptable in the Indus climate. But now it is naturalized in many other countries, and it is becoming popular not only as a shade giving trees, but it can sustain the disaster, it can sustain the cyclones, it can sustain the earthquakes also, and it can save many lives. And wherever the schools are, hospitals are, or even we have parks, I think I will strongly recommend that this health giving or this I will call it a tree physician. It can cure you many internal, external diseases, but it can repel many insects and many other hazardous animals like snakes, lizards, mosquitoes. They can be repelled because it is a very beautiful and a very friendly to the human life. It has no thorns. Even the children can have this kind of plays and kinds of cradles, and they can climb, they can come down. You can see that how this tree and its dance of the leaves is giving you a refreshing. So it is antidepressant, it is anti-anxiety, and it is will give you I think a refreshing environment, continuous health giving effect. And there is a huge literature, multiple videos are there, and you can see that vitamin C is there, carotene is there, and it has a cooling effect. So with this, I think we are ending this video. Please like Dr. Hussain Bush Kolachi YouTube channel for new information. And I have taken some of the pictures from the artificial intelligence and digital media, and it gives me a confidence that neem tree is a gift of the God, and it is a gift of the entire world. And we are lucky that the highest number of the trees are in subcontinent, and since our birth we have been seeing this tree moving in the air, giving us shades, giving us a green look. And this 5,000 old tree is still existing and giving us